lunch. My mom made sambar today, my favorite.
Hi, viewers. Sambar is another way to say soup.
And the reason we're doing all of this is
because we are doing a video about an experiment about the digestive system. You don't need to see the organs come out of the sky and see how it goes.
So we eat food for two main reasons. To get the energy we need from the food to stay alive, and to get the chemicals we need to resource our cells and build them up. So today I'm not actually gonna show x-rays of how your stomach digests or how your small intestine does all that stuff and absorbs nutrients. That would be boring.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a hands-on gooey experiment like we do always. So the ingredients we'll need are
a cup, that's with juice or a mug.
Orange juice to represent the hydrochloric acid of the stomach.
And a filter.
To represent the small intestine.
And 2 cups.
2 cups and one with a hole in it to represent the large intestine.
And
shoo fly. What do we need?
Then 2 cloves.
One small, one big. One to represent the body and the other to represent the bathroom. And finally, we need some scissors. And we need
some crackers.
And a banana.
And a cup of water.
To represent the saliva in your mouth. And finally, a plastic bag. You can just choose a Ziploc bag to represent the stomach. Let's go. I'll tell you how it works in the end. So first, peel off the banana. This banana looks.
That's how we can all eat it. We'll eat it our dinner.
And slice it into 3 pieces and put it in the plastic bag. Harini, can you hold these for me, please?
Whoa.
Drop these in the plastic bag. And also put all the crackers in the plastic bag.
Fell down. Crackers, don't just stick there. Don't.
Okay, I think that's enough crackers, maybe. And then we add some water for the saliva.
Water time.
And finally, we add some orange juice. Be careful, you won't spill it.
That's enough?
No, more.
Enough?
More, a little more. There, that's enough. Now close the plastic
This is it.
bag. Now the plastic bag represents the stomach, and all the Parley G's and banana represents the food. The water represents the saliva. So on the count of 3, I want you to mush it up for a couple of minutes. 1, 2, 3. Mush it. Come on, Harini.
But I'm scared of it pop.
It won't pop, Harini.
Okay, I can do it now.
This will take a couple of minutes to develop a good.
Hey!
This will take a couple of minutes to develop a good consistency. This represents the stomach physically and mechanically digesting the food with its muscles and acid.
Shoo fly.
If you want to know more, check out my digestive system video on Jagan's channel. Not the experiment.
He don't want.
Mush.
Is this enough?
Almost done.
Hey, how are you doing this?
Okay, I'll do the remaining. Now, these mushed up food sits in the stomach for 4 hours. Can you believe that? Look how much your digestion is trying to break this down. Poor banana, poor Parley G. Now, once bananas and crackers. Sorry, guys. We had a little issue. This is what happens in hands-on experiments sometimes. Normally this doesn't happen in digestion, but the stomach just popped open and out came all the spewingness on our hands and on our table. So we're gonna take a couple of minutes to clean this up. Put it in fast motion, please. Harini, can you throw that in the trash? Cleaning's finally done. Normally this doesn't happen because there's a valve at the end of the stomach which lets a concentrated amount of food or chine go through the small intestine, and that's where it's gonna go next with the filter. So we're gonna cut a portion of the bag. Hold the filter above this bowl, and we're gonna pour it into the small intestine. The water is all the nutrients. The liquid is all the nutrients that are being sent into the body, and the small intestine takes those and sends it out into the body.
Oh, I think so. It's full.
Wait for a while.
Okay, this will take a lot of time.
Okay, it's gonna filter. All right, Harini. There's a little more water left. The small intestine does all its job. In the meanwhile, I'll tell you a couple of facts. The small intestine is actually bigger than the large intestine in size. It's 22 meters. Well, the large intestine is only 5 meters long. But why do we call the large intestine large if it's only 5 meters compared to the 22 meters of the small intestine?
Because its walls are bigger.
Large intestine's walls are bigger, Harini. Radio. I never knew you knew that. Did you learn that from school?
Nope, I don't even know the digestive systems around school. I'm watching your videos.
See how much you get from watching my videos? That's a hint. Now, the undigested waste that's left over in our small intestine will go into our large intestine. In just a second, we're just gonna use some tools to just put this down a little. Remaining liquid. We're filtering the remaining liquid, guys. Filtering the remaining liquid. All right, throw this in the trash. All right, the undigested waste will now head to the large intestine.
We had poke. I'll poke with this.
No, I already poked it. I already poked a hole. Now put it into the cup with the hole in it. All right, that's it. So it takes normally this time for the large intestine to gather its waste and send it on its way. And as you know, when it's on its way, it's on its way. So we're going to send the large intestine's leftover indigestible feces or poop into the toilet by pushing it out.
Oh, that's a lot. So we have a lot of feces, a scientific name to say.
Now let's see if there's any more in the rectum. Ooh, this is constipation, man. Chronic constipation, aka having trouble passing your poop.
Feces.
It's hard to shake them. All right. Okay. This is the end of our digestive system video. So we have all the body nutrients, the nutrients in our body, and the waste in the toilet. And that is it on the digestive system DIY. I hope you had an amazing journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I hope you had a happy learning time, learning about the digestive system, scientific method. Goodbye.